Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to Finty, game-changing accounting software designed for businesses like yours. Whether you're running a repair shop, a retail store, or any service-oriented business, Finty is here to revolutionize how you manage your finances and operations. Join me as we explore the key features that make Finty the go-to solution for small to medium-sized businesses. Efficient repair shop management. Let's begin with repair shop management. Finty allows you to seamlessly handle device repairs. Imagine printing receipts with just a click or sending eco-friendly text messages to your clients automatically. No more hassle, just efficient and organized repair shop management. Invoices and financial transactions. Creating invoices and tracking financial transactions have never been easier. Whether you're issuing receipts or managing expenses, Finty simplifies the process. Plus, if your team works on commissions, Finty's got you covered. Set commission percentages effortlessly and let the software handle the calculations, providing you with detailed reports. User-friendly tutorials. Now let's talk about how to use Finty. Finty is designed with you in mind. Accessing tutorial videos is just a click away. Whenever you have a question or need guidance, simply click on the red icons within the software to watch related tutorial videos. And if you need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. They are ready and eager to help you whenever you need. Online accessibility and global currency support. With Finty, flexibility is key. Access your account and manage your business from anywhere, anytime using your smartphone or laptop. And guess what? Finty supports over 20 major world currencies, ensuring users from around the globe can easily navigate and utilize the platform. Don't see your currency? No problem. Our support team is here to assist you. It's customized to suit your business, whether you're in the repair industry or looking for top-notch accounting and inventory management. We can even disable features you don't need, providing a personalized experience just for you. In conclusion, Finty is not just accounting software. It's a business companion designed to simplify your operations and boost your efficiency. Join the global community benefiting from Finty's powerful features. Subscribe now, use the exclusive 50% discount coupon, and let Finty elevate your business to new heights. Thank you for watching and happy managing.